Dismantling UNRWA is short-sighted. By doing so, we will sacrifice an entire generation of children, sowing the seeds of hatred, resentment, and future conflict.
Undertaking all efforts in light of the arrogant and barbaric Israeli aggression against Gaza Strip for an attack against the UNRWA, discrediting a history of hard work and sacrifice by the agency. The goal is malicious and clear, and that is to destroy any political horizon to a two-state solution, and to destroy at the same time a humanitarian horizon embodied by UNRWA that tend to the inalienable rights of the Palestinian people despite the insufficient resources available to that agency. In this regard, the League of Arab States reaffirms the need to counter all Israeli attempts aimed at eliminating or terminating the UNRWA or modifying its mandate. We object to the imposition by the Security Council of any new mandate for the UNRWA. We see that this attack seeks to destroy the two-state solution that enjoys unprecedented international consensus. We call upon countries that have suspended their funding to UNRWA to revisit their decision and resume funding to UNRWA, particularly after the decisive measures taken by the UN against any violations of UN regulations by any of the UNRWA staff. We also call upon countries to take into consideration the urgent humanitarian needs as a result of the ongoing Israeli war against Gaza. We stress at the same time that it is the responsibility of the donor community as a whole for funding UNRWA, and not only Arab countries or the League of Arab States who provide the utmost in terms of financial and logistical support.